It's important to remember that the drawings we create in AutoCAD are construction drawings, which means someone is going to refer to our drawings to construct something. Knowing that, in this lesson we're going to learn how to use dimensions to dimension our drawings accurately. Now on my screen I've got a simple mechanical part. We're going to make dimensions. Going to pan a little here, but before that let's take a look at my layers panel. I'm working in good form. I've made a dimension layers for my dimensions here. Now here I've got a default layers. There's layer 0 here, a center line layer, dimensions layer, a part layer. Now the tools to make some dimensions are in the annotation panel here, and we're going to use, first of all, make a linear dimension. Now we've got all of these and we're going to talk about those. First we'll make a linear here, and make sure you're using the object snap. That's the only way to make sure that the dimensions are accurate. From endpoint here to endpoint here, and you can get the horizontal or vertical depending on which way your cursor is. Going to accept this right here, and I'm going to make another linear right from here, this endpoint to this endpoint. I'm going to make it a horizontal and snap here. Let's make another linear dimension. This time I'm going to make it a vertical one. I'm going to pick right this endpoint to the center of this arc right here. Now before we go further, I'd like to take another look at my layers here. Look, there's a depth points layer added here. AutoCAD created this layer as soon as we created the first dimension there, and let's zoom a little here. As you see, there's a little pixel here. This is AutoCAD creates this to make sure of accuracy of our dimensions and positioning, but this pixel doesn't plot. It's on the depth points layer, as we know, and the depth points layer is not plottable. Now let's zoom a little out here, and don't delete this depth points layer. AutoCAD requires that to be there. And now we're going to create some more dimensions. Let's look at this aligned layer. Aligned dimension. Aligned dimension, it gives us a true dimension between 2 points. Let's create this one right here. I'll press my space bar. Let's make another one right here. This is a dimension you'll use most often unless you require a horizontal or vertical dimension. Now let's go and make a angular dimension right there. Let's zoom a little here. Okay, select these two lines. Notice as we pull our cursor in or out, the dimension changes based on that. Or if we pull our cursor in the other side, it gives us the supplementary angles. Let's zoom out a little. In case you're wondering, yes, you can make you can create even a radial dimensions here. We're going to look at that right now, the radius, and let's create the radius of this dimension. We'll leave it right here, and we'll launch that one more time. Let's create this one, put it right here. That's great. Now let's look at how we can measure the diameter of a circle. We'll select the diameter here. Let's measure this one right here. Notice AutoCAD automatically adds the diameter symbol for me. Using AutoCAD's dimensioning tool along with the object snaps, we could document our drawing easily and quickly and allow a contractor to accurately reproduce our design.